Well, my friends, we all know that a good and healthy diet is the key to our overall well-being. But here's a little secret. As we age, our dietary needs change too. And if you're over 50, there's a vegetable that deserves a special place in your daily meals. Can you take a guess at which one it is? You got it. According to the experts, it's those dark green leafy and cruciferous vegetables that we're talking about. Let me tell you, they are absolute powerhouses of nutrients. Packed with carotenoids, these veggies can provide some serious protection against cancer. And hold on, there's more. They also give our immune system an extra boost, ensuring we stay strong and healthy. But wait, there's even better news. Research has shown that including these cruciferous vegetables in our diet can work wonders for our heart health. They have the incredible ability to reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Just imagine, my friends, by indulging in delights like broccoli, cauliflower, arugula, turnip, watercress, cabbage, chard, Brussels sprouts, mustard greens, and radish, we're nourishing our hearts in the most delicious way possible. And let's not forget about the amazing fiber content in these vegetables. It's like a gift to our digestive and intestinal health, keeping things running smoothly and efficiently. So, my lovely viewers, what do you think about these incredible vegetables? If you've enjoyed discovering their incredible benefits, don't hesitate to leave a comment below this video. Together, let's embrace the power of these veggies and live our best, vibrant lives. Until next time, take care and stay healthy.